Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am back on to do part 2 of my happy birthday mail from my bestie Armin, who is a Happy Mail Queen here on YouTube. Hey girl, I am so excited to open up this box. I went ahead and opened it up and it is so super cute. I love the way you decorated the inside of the box. I'm trying to show you, and I'm gonna try to zoom in if I can, but it says, "Happy birthday, Erica." I love this idea. I'm gonna try this the next time I send out some mail. And then this side, it says, she's got this cute little birthday cake with the little tool and then like a cupcake liner, and it says sweet. And I love that banner, and she used a bunch of different birthday stickers, and I'll try to zoom in so you could see, but how adorable is that? And I love the birthday paper. And then the bottom flap is right here, and it says, "Let's eat cake, happy birthday," and it says party, and she's got a little shaker sticker right there. Isn't that adorable? Thank you, Armin. That's so sweet. And then this side, see if I can get this side. That side says yay, and she's got little scallops and the fun puffy stickers, and I love these little balloons with the little confetti. Isn't that cute? And it says happy birthday to you. This is so super sweet. Thank you, Armin. I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, she's got this box jam packed, so I'm gonna zoom down and zoom out, and I'm gonna dig in. So it looks like she sent my kids some candy, because this is so extra cute. And again, she told me she was sending me like a little bit of Halloween and Easter, because she wanted to send me everything all at once, which is fine. And I think these are for my kids. I have 4 kids, and they are gonna love these girls. So thank you so much for sending them some candy, because trust me, they have been asking me to buy candy, and I've been like, no, no, no. I tell them they have to use their own money, but they'll be happy to receive those. So thank you so much. And then, okay, so she's got this little cute stocking in here. So she's got me a little Christmas in here too. And I love this. This is so cute. It has an E, and look at the little clothespin with the deer. That is adorable. And then there's some little jingle bells. What do you have in here? Oh, some C's candy. Oh, chocolate coconut. Yum. Thank you so much. Yes. I've never tried this flavor, and I like the C's lollipops. It's like a caramel flavor, I think. I'm not sure. I know Siv, who's Crafty Poodle Mom, has sent me some, and I love these. So thank you. That's a nice treat. And I think that's just some little shred down on the bottom. So thank you so much. Yay. Love that. And now let's keep going. There's a lot in this box. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, I'm gonna start. Trying to see if there's a card. Oh my gosh. Oh, you sent me this card. Oh my gosh, Armin. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take it out. Thank you for sending me this card. This was like one of the most beautiful cards that you've made. And when you made this card, I was just in awe. And I was so disappointed I never picked up that die from Hobby Lobby. But now I have this beautiful card. Oh my gosh. And it's purple, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And it says dream, and look at her sequence mix. It's just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I think she did a tutorial on this as well. And oh my gosh, let me just open it up really quick. Oh, it says, "Hey BFF, I love the way this card came out, and I know you love it as much because it is so you. It's purple and lavender. Can't imagine giving this to anyone else but you. Huge hugs, Armin." Oh my gosh, girl. Oh, it says you, me, and the sea. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And there's her handmade stamp. Oh, thank you so much for sending me this card. This card is beautiful. And I definitely will be displaying this card. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Thank you, girl. I can just keep looking at it because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am very thankful for that. If that was the only thing you sent me, I would be just over the moon, seriously, because it's so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna open up this first little gift if I can. She's got it taped down pretty good. And this is really cute wrapping paper, the little swans. How cute! Ah! Okay, so she sent me a little birthday gift, and she did actually text me and asked me if there was anything on my wish list, and I gave her some ideas, and oh my gosh, you got me the snowflake too! Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm new to this company, the Stamp Market, and I've placed an order with them before, and this was on my wish list from that company. And did I tell you I wanted the snowflake? I can't remember. But yes, I wanted this snowflake because I love the size of it. And then I had been wanting this stamp set. It's the Handmade with Love. And it just has all these really cute little sayings like treats for your tummy, yummy sweets made just for you, delicious treats for you, delish. And you guys know I bake sugar cookies, and so that's why I wanted this stamp set. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Armin. And it comes with a coordinating die set. Girl, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so super excited. I cannot wait to play with this. Yay! I can't believe you got me the snowflake too. This was, oh my gosh, girl, thank you so much. Yay, I'm so excited. And if you're interested, definitely go check out the Stamp Market, because that is the company where she picked it up from. This is actually a really awesome company. I like their products. Yay, thank you so much, Armin. That's so super sweet of you. Okay, I don't even know what to open up next. Okay, so let's open up this really cute package. It's so pretty. Look at her crepe paper and the little cake. Birthday sweets from Treats. Is that what it says? Birthday sweet treats? Oh, birthday sweet treats. Oh my goodness. Let me open this up. This is decorated so pretty. You always do an amazing job with all of your packaging. I really feel like I need to step up my packaging game. I keep saying that between you and Tara and lots of other ladies. I just feel like I need to do more. Oh my gosh, so she sent me some more candy. Girl, what are you trying to do to me? I'm gonna be set for dark chocolate for a little while. This is the See's Candy Dark Chocolates with Almonds. Oh my gosh, I just know this is gonna be heaven. I cannot wait to try this. And this one's salted caramel, and it's also dark chocolate. Girl, you spoiled me. And this says awesome walnut square bar. Oh, yum. Okay, so I'll definitely be enjoying this. So thank you so much for that, girl. I've got chocolate for days. And now, oh my goodness, she stuffed this. Look at this cute little package right here. How cute, look at that pom-pom. The purple pom-pom is extra adorable. Okay, so what did she do? Oh, a pom-pom pin. Yay, I love that. That is so pretty. Look at that, you guys. I'll definitely put that in my pin holder. Love it. And then what else? Oh my gosh, look at this little fox hand sanitizer. Oh, that's adorable. Let me just open it up real quick. This is cute. Is this Bath and Body? How extra adorable. Love it. Thank you, Armin. You are so sweet, girl. Thank you, thank you. There's so many goodies in here, you guys. Oh, look at this little purse. And it has like a little tassel. And what's it? Oh my gosh. Oh, some beads. Oh, these are pretty. Thank you, Armin. These are gorgeous. Yes, those are so pretty. Thank you so much. You are so sweet, girl. Oh my goodness. And then look at this. This is some washi tape. Oh, it's a baby washi tape. Oh, that's pretty. I had started a baby album, and as you guys know, we all start projects and then stop and get sidetracked, and I'm definitely sidetracked, but I have a mini baby album I'm working on for my niece who just had a baby recently. Well, actually not recently, it's been a couple months now, but I'm working on that, so I can probably incorporate that into the album. Look at this. Oh, it says happy birthday. That is so pretty. Look how sparkly that is. I love it. And what do you have in here? Oh, this is cute, like little clips. And I could attach these to some projects. Oh, those are adorable, Armin. Thank you so much. How cute is that? Love the birthday unicorn. And then what do you have in here? Oh, some cute little, did you make these? Look how pretty. Let me just open it up. Oh my gosh, girl. You sent way too much stuff. Okay. So she sent me some of these little paper, like their little paper clip flags with the little, oh, I love how you did that with the bling. How pretty is that? And then she sent me some of this stretchy elastic. You can use these in like TNs and stuff. And then look at that really pretty butterfly clip. It's gorgeous with that bling. Thank you so much. How pretty is that? I can definitely put these in like a traveler's notebook or a planner for sure. Those are pretty. And it just keeps going. Look at it, it says, hello friend. How pretty is that? I love that paper. And then in here, she has, oh, she gifted me some of these unicorn resin pieces. These are adorable. Yay, thank you for sharing. Yay, those are cute. Yes, oh my gosh. And what is this? This is heavy. What in the world is this? Oh, it's a candle. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. Oh, thank you, Armin. That is gorgeous. Let me smell it. Let me just open it up. Oh, it smells really good too. Thank you so much. Yes, and I love the color, of course. I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. Yes, that smells amazing. I'm definitely gonna burn that for sure. And look at this cute little bag. It has a little lollipop hearts. This is so adorable. Where do you get, oh, Daiso. I'm like, where do you get this from? See, I wish we had Daiso. We need Daiso in Georgia. Okay, and it's just, there's more, you guys. So let me just keep going. So look at how she decorated this package. It's so pretty. Look at that blingy gift wrap. And then she gifted me a really pretty pen, one of those blingy pens. So yay. And let me just open this up. I love the way you packaged this. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's open it up. And I'm trying not to crinkle too much. Oh my gosh, girl. Wow. Okay, let me just set this in the box and I'm going to open this up. This looks like a card. Look at that. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. I love the little sequins that you added. You know, you put it like in a little sleeve. Oh, I can definitely use that for dies. How cute. And she's got it wrapped with washi tape. Let me stick that right there. I can open it. What is this? Oh, it's a birthday card. It's gorgeous, Armin. Look how the details, like she's got it folded. Look at, and she actually has candles in here on the card. You sewed that? Oh my gosh. Look how cute that cake is. Oh my gosh. Let's just take a moment. That is so pretty, Armin. Aged to perfection, quality without compromise, vintage, limited edition, original. And it has happy birthday on the side. Oh, this is so pretty. And then look at the trim up top. This is such a pretty card. Thank you so much, Armin. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yes, she's got stitching on the outside. It's amazing, girl. Wow. Happy birthday, BFF. You are blessed with another year to celebrate with friends and family. Cherish every moment. I hope your birthday month is filled with lots of love and happiness. Enjoy my fashionably late gifts. LOL. Your girly, Armin. Oh, thank you so much, Armin. You're so super sweet. I love this card. It's so pretty. I'm gonna display this with my other birthday cards in my kitchen for sure. And then, oh my gosh, did you made me a traveler's notebook? Yay! Oh my gosh. I love your traveler's notebooks. Oh my goodness. I hope that you guys are still with me on this video because this girl is amazing. So she made me a birthday traveler's notebook. She's included some stickers, and look at that cute big cupcake. She packaged it up so cute. And then she even has some bling in here, and I love that little tag, and it says for you. And I love the way you attached it with that. And look at the ice cream cone. That is adorable. And then the crepe paper, it looks like she used a die and cut it out. That's gorgeous, Armin. Love that. And then look at the birthday girl. How cute. Love it. And let's look at the little dangle that she added. She is like really, really good with these dangles. And I get a lot of my inspiration from her when it comes to dangles, her and Nurse Tara. Oh my gosh, look at the little cupcake bling. These are so cute. Look at the little small tiny beads with those little blingy rondelles, I think. And then look at the lollipop. I hope I'm focused so you guys can see all this fun stuff. And then look at the little sequence in the little bottle. And this little bead right here, and then the pretty bling. This is so cute, and it says made with love. Oh, thank you, Armin. I know this takes a lot of time to put together. I love that charm. That's so cute. Well, I'm definitely going to be using this for sure. So let's open it up. Now that is a party hat. Oh, that is so cute. Let me focus. She has some little cut-aparts inside the pocket. So cute. And I love this jelly sparkly paper that you use. How pretty. Where did you get this from? I love that. I picked up some off of Ally, but this is definitely different. It's like glitter. It's different than what I picked up, but it's so pretty. So here's the first notebook. I love this birthday traveler's notebook. This is so sweet. And then this is the second one, and she even did some sewing. Girl, you went all out. Oh, you sewed the pocket. That's a great idea. And I love this paper. Is this like authentique or something? I'm not even sure, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's so cute. Oh, look at, I love it. And then she's got all these little folders, and there's some more cut aparts in here. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. OMG. Okay, so these are all the different notebooks. And then in the back, here's the folder, which is also sewn. Oh, I think I'm so close. I'm too close. I'm so excited that I'm like trying to look at it and show it you at the same time. Oh my gosh. Wow. And look at that tag. Wow, that's gorgeous, girl. I like how you did that acetate pocket and that really pretty blingy bow and all this fun fiber up on the top. It's so pretty. Thank you, Armin. This is absolutely awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to pause this video. It's getting extremely long, and I'm gonna do a part 3 because this is just absolutely amazing. So stay tuned for part 3.